So you found MuleRun. And now you are thinking, where do I even start? Do not worry. This video walks you through every step. By the end, you will run your first AI agent. The simple way. No coding, no stress. Just follow along with me. First, let me tell you what MuleRun is. In plain words, it is an AI agent platform. An agent is a worker, not just a chatbot. A chatbot answers questions. An agent does the full task. It opens tools, it takes steps, it hands you a finished result. And the best part, it runs on a computer that stays on all day and night. Here is what you need before we start. Not much, really. You need a device with internet. A laptop or desktop works great. You need an email to sign up. That is it. You do not need a credit card for the free plan. You do not need tech skills. MuleRun is built for normal people, not just developers. Now, step 1. Sign up. Go to the MuleRun site. Look for the sign up for free button. Click it. Enter your email. Set your account. Once you are in, you land on the dashboard. This is your home base. Right away, you get bonus credits, 500 to start, plus 200 more refresh at each day. Credits are how you pay for tasks. $1 equals 100 credits. Step 2. Find the chat box. This is where the magic starts. It is just a simple text box. You type what you want in plain English. Like talking to a helper, you do not write code, you do not pick complex settings. You describe the goal. MuleRun figures out the steps. Step 3. Run your first task. Let's keep it easy. Try something simple. Like search today's top news and put it in a clean file. Type that into the box. Then hit Run Agent. Now watch. The agent gets to work. It opens tools. It browses, it builds. You can see what it is doing step by step. Full visibility. While it runs, let me explain what is happening behind the scenes. The agent is using a dedicated computer, not your browser tab. So even if you close the page, the work keeps going. That is the always on power. You start a task and walk away. Come back later. Your results are waiting. Step 4. Read your results. When the task is done, MuleRun delivers the output. It might be a file, a report, a document, a summary. You can review it. You can download it. You can use it right away. If something looks off, you can redirect the agent or run it again. Now let me show you a few more task ideas so you see the range. Want a slide deck? Ask it to build a branded PowerPoint. Want data work? Ask it to analyze a spreadsheet and make a clean report. Want research? Ask it to dig through the web and summarize. Want a video? Ask it to make a short clip. Want a story or doc? Ask it to write and format a Word file. The pattern is always the same. Describe it, run it, get it. Here are some pro tips. These make a big difference. Tip 1. Be clear in your request. The more detail, the better the result. Instead of make a report, say, make a one-page report with charts and key takeaways. Tip 2. Start small. Test one task before you stack big jobs. Tip 3. Use the overnight power. Queue tasks before bed. Check them in the morning. Tip 4. Watch your credits. Big jobs use more. Plan your usage. Let me talk about safety too, because this matters. MuleRun has checkpoints. For big actions, it asks before it acts. You can require human review on certain steps. You can pause the agent anytime. You stay in control, always, so you never feel like the tool is running wild. Now, about plans, let me keep it short. The free plan is great for learning. You get daily bonus credits. If you want more power, the plus plan is $16 a month. It adds 2,000 monthly credits and a personal virtual machine. Super and Pro go even higher for heavy users. But honestly, start free, learn the ropes, upgrade only when you need more. So let's recap the whole flow. Nice and simple. 1. Sign up for free. 2. Open the chat box. 3. Type your task in plain words. 4. Hit Run Agent. 5. Read and use your results. That is the entire loop. Easy, right? Your next step is to actually try it. Reading about it only goes so far. Doing it is where it clicks. Pick one boring task you hate doing. Hand it to MuleRun. See how it feels to get it back done. The free plan means there is no real risk. Just go try. Let me walk through a couple more task examples so you feel confident. Example 1. A research file. Type, find the top 5 trends in my industry this week and save them to a file. Hit Run Agent. Watch it browse and gather. You get a tidy file with sources. Easy. Example 2. A data summary. Say you have a spreadsheet of sales numbers. Ask, look at this data and tell me the key takeaways with a simple chart. The agent reads it. It finds the story. It builds a chart. You get a clean summary you can actually use. Example 3. A polished email or doc. Ask, write a friendly update email about our new product launch. The agent drafts it in a clear, warm tone. You tweak the details. Then it is ready to send. Now let me cover a few common beginner questions. What if the result is not quite right? No stress. You just refine your request and run it again. Add more detail. Be more specific. Try once more. Each clear instruction gets you closer. What if you run low on credits? The free plan refreshes some credits daily. If you need more, you can top up or upgrade. But for learning, the daily refresh is usually enough. What if you are not sure what to ask? Start with something you already do by hand: research, a report, a short doc, a simple deck. Pick a task you know well, then you can judge the result fairly. Here is a habit that helps a lot. Keep a notes file of your best requests. When one works great, save the wording, then reuse it next time. Tweak as needed. You build your own little library of prompts. This makes you faster every week. And remember the safety side as a beginner. MuleRun has checkpoints for big actions. You can ask before it does something major. You can pause it. You can review steps. So you can explore freely without fear. You are always in control as you learn. One last beginner tip: do not rush. Run one task. Read the result fully. Notice what it did well. Notice what to improve. Then your next request will be even better. Learning the tool is a few small steps, not a giant leap. Let me leave you with one mindset shift before you go. Do not think of MuleRun as a fancy chatbot. Think of it as a helper that takes action. You stop asking for answers, you start handing off whole tasks. That shift changes how you work. And it starts with your very first run. So take that first step today. Open the chat box. Type one real task. Hit run. You will learn more in 5 minutes of doing than an hour of watching. Start here, MuleRun. Click below description. If this tutorial helped, hit like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe Yam Uparkoti channel for more step-by-step AI guides. I keep them simple. And comment below with your first task idea. I love seeing what you build. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.